What's up? So today I'm gonna film a video and hey guys, okay, guess what video I'm filming? Does anyone have like any guesses? I don't think it's predictable and I don't think I've done many of these, but like take a guess. Yeah, I'm doing Get Ready With Me. I know you guys are like super shocked and like super stoked for this new type of content that I'm creating. I know you guys are super shocked about this decision I've made, but I have an explanation. So, okay, so, but yeah, I was originally gonna do like a get ready, like get lit with me, get ready with me thing, so I was gonna like listen to music and then do my makeup, but I love talking. So I decided not to do that. So I'm gonna do like a separate playlist video because content. So I'm going in with my girl Peelies. Whoa, I look weird today. I also got like 0 sleep, so that's super nice for me. I love that for me. Also, I didn't know James Charles said that at first. Yes, that's where I want my eyeshadow. I promise it'll look good. I actually promise a lot of things and they never pull through, so don't believe anything I say. I'm a pathological liar. I'm actually not. I'm just super sad. Okay, I'm kind of over that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow because I'm over that. Did I already mention that I'm over this? There's no mirror! I like literally looked at it again to see a mirror. That's great for me. I also forgot everything I was gonna say. No, I didn't. That's a lie. Okay, it's also super hot, but I'm wearing a hoodie because I'm hashtag insecure and hashtag wanna hide my body. So I love that for me. So I came back from California about a week and a half ago, and then I went to my grandparents' house for another week. So now I'm back, but hey guys, guess what? I'm flying again tomorrow to Hawaii, and I will explain that in a second, but basically I haven't been posting because I haven't been home. And you guys know me, I don't post frequently because I have terrible work ethic, especially when I'm at a bad state of mind. Yes. But I'm going to Hawaii tomorrow. I'm flying alone, which is super scary. I'm not excited about that at all. But, you know, I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm going with Haley to Hawaii on a dope trip, which I'm super excited about. I'm only gonna be there for like a full day and then like half a day. Actually, technically 2 days if you like combine the half days and then the full day I'm there. But I'm gonna vlog while I'm flying and stuff like that because I feel like that might calm me down. Also could make things worse. I don't know, but it's whatever. Can't do much damage, you know what I'm saying? That's basically it with me at the moment. Oh, also I hit 500,000, which is wild and super crazy. I don't really think about numbers. They don't have a big effect on me. I don't think I process it very well in my brain. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but basically what I'm saying is thank you for that wild number, even though I don't know what I'm saying. What I'm trying to say is I don't care about how many followers I have, but I do appreciate everyone who follows me, especially when I don't provide the content that I should. That's how I wanted to word that. Last year was like the worst year of my life, I'm pretty sure. I don't know if it was because of high school or just because of things happening around me, or I don't freaking know, man. I don't know what it was with last year, but I was super sad all the time. Like I'm used to it now, but like last year it was super like new and I was like, why am I sad? Last year it was just really bad for me. Nothing like crazy significant even like happened. I just think some things triggered some things. I don't know, but like I got super sad and I still am, but like it hit me last year and I'm super nervous for this upcoming year and I don't know when this is gonna go away because I'm like in a really bad I don't know. I used to get in the ruts where I would not want to post or not do anything. And now it's just kind of like that all the time. It's not really like every now and then. I just never feel like doing anything. I know you're probably like, you're literally going to Hawaii tomorrow, you're flying by yourself, but like, even that I'm like super nervous about. At this state of mind that I'm in, I like will take everything the wrong way or will like take everything to heart. Even if it's like a little thing, I'll go crazy and it'll affect me big time. So basically what I'm saying is I'm super fragile right now and I don't have any motivation to do anything, and I'm not exactly sure why, but yeah. It's not like I don't want to post, and it's not like I'm ignoring anyone or being lazy. Well, I am being lazy, but like I feel like I have no control. Also, I'm sweating, but I don't have a shirt underneath this and I don't feel like changing, so I love heat strokes. This is not looking how I want it to at all. School's already almost here. I hate to remind y'all of that, but it's literally almost here again. Our summer was also cut short. We got like 2 weeks less of summer. So I go back to school like August 13th, I think, even though it's on a Wednesday and it's super weird. But I love school so much. I don't even think y'all know how much I love school and how much I look forward to it. I love school. Do you guys like school? I feel like some people actually might. I can see how some people could enjoy it. No, I couldn't, but I know people like it, so there has to be some reason. I'm just not into extracurricular stuff because it makes me sadder. And I also don't like being around people that much. And usually extracurricular stuff in school is like, you have to be around people, obviously, so. I also don't really know what I'm planning on doing for this look right now. I'm just kind of going with it. I'm going where it takes me. It's taking me on a journey. Greetings, one loved ones. Take a journey. I don't know what I'm saying. I can't tell if this is cute or ugly. See, that's what I say to myself every day in the morning. And during the day. And afternoon. And evening.
The Battle Boss one?
What?
Is it good?
It's just low-key fire. So far. I don't know what you guys think. Comment down below what you guys think of this look so far. Also, don't say it's bad. I would cry. I will cry. Like, I literally will cry. I'm so fragile right now. Like, anyone could say anything and it would make me cry. And don't make me cry. I will literally cry. Right now, I'm really living for this sunset moment. Yes, I found more colors. I look like I'm on drugs right now. Am I? The world I never know. I'm so hot. I might overheat and collapse. That'd be super fun. I'm excited. I'm already thinking about editing this and I'm not excited. This might turn out good. Emphasis on the might. I can't tell if that's bad or not. I think it's bad, but I don't really want to admit it because I might cry. I also used like 5 palettes for this, so please don't ask me what palettes I used. I'll put them in the description, but y'all are gonna be super big mad at me. Let's try another orange because can't get any worse. It could, but it won't. I don't believe that for a second. Okay, that's all I can do for the orange. She's done. Actually, I could do more, but will I do more? Probably. This is literally gonna take me a million years to film. I still have to do face makeup. Oh, I have to talk for face makeup too, bruh. I hate talking. I love talking. That's a lie. But I get in the mood to talk and then I get out of it super fast. And I talked a lot already and I'm over it. Okay, so I know it's annoying that I didn't film that, but this isn't a tutorial, but I really wanted this to like look really good and I couldn't do, like I literally just did not talk at all. I couldn't. So I turned my camera off. I think it looks fine. I could have done better, but you know what? It's fine. I'm gonna roll with the punches that were thrown at me. And now I'm gonna put on lashes. Lashes I'm wearing are these, but they don't make them anymore. Super sorry about that. Didn't mean to disappoint. It's so motherfucking hot in here and I might die. So I'm keeping my hoodie on so that happens. I prefer to not use tweezers when putting on lashes, but I have nails now, so. I think I can put on lashes with nails, but am I gonna try? No. That was actually super easy. I'm gonna cry. I also really want okra. Should I go up and get it? Vote yes or no. I think I'm gonna get it. That's super loud, right? That's so long. Okra break. I just realized my teeth are gonna have a bunch of okra seeds in them. I'm gonna go in with the Becca Backlight Primer. But the Wet n Wild Dewy one, their new one, Dewy one, is also just as good. I just want to use this because it smells better than that one. So I really want to be online schooled so bad, and I hate to be a YouTuber and like say that, but School literally makes me so sad, and I just cannot wait to go back. I'm so excited. Oh, also update. Remember when I said I would fail my AP test? Yeah, I was almost correct about that. I surprisingly passed with a 3. Barely, obviously I would get a 3. Like, I would not get anything above that. I'm super surprised, and I'm super upset also because I told myself that if I passed, I would do AP next year, and I didn't want to do AP next year, and I thought I would fail. Like, I was expecting not to do AP. I literally signed up to not do AP. I'm doing regular, but I found out I passed, so now I have to switch my schedule because I promised myself I would push myself, even though I'll probably end up failing the class and having to read the whole thing. But it's okay. Primer number 2, primer number 3. That was number 4. How do people just do one primer? I don't understand that. I don't think I will ever understand. I mean, I understand, because why would you also use 5 primers? But I could never. I'm so nervous to fly alone. I feel like it'd be different if I was going to like California or like somewhere that isn't a 10-hour flight away. And I'm also like really bad at talking to people. I mean, like, not like conversation-wise. I think I can make conversation pretty well, but I'm bad at approaching people that I don't know for help. If I ask someone for help at the airport, like it's their job to like help me. But I get super nervous. It's really hard for me to approach people and ask questions, because I feel like a burden even though it's their job. I also am super hot. Have I mentioned that it's super hot? Like, it's very hot. Also, you guys, so when I'm super sad, I buy a lot of things. So I got like a bunch of my favorite CDs and like albums and stuff. I don't know where I'm going with this. You guys don't care that I bought CDs, but I bought a bunch of CDs and they're very cute and I'm very happy because I have CDs now. I'm gonna use this new powder from Huda. It smells like their foundation. How did they do that? I mean, it seems nice so far, but it kind of looks exactly the same as the Fit Me. Also, when I went to Disney, I got an R2-D2 keychain for the car I don't have. I also can drive in October. Like, I can get my license in October, and that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm gonna be 16 in like, wait, okay, it's July. August, September. In like 3 months, I can drive, and I'll be 16. That's insane, and I love that so much. I'll be able to drive, and I'll get to put this on my car keys. I'm so excited. I also got a Sully pillow pad. Disney was so much fun. I wish I lived in Disney World, or Land, or both. I don't care. I'll choose either or. I'm not picky. So I finished my makeup finally. That was super long. Super sorry about that. If you want a tutorial on this look, let me know, because I think it's actually pretty good and pretty cute and kind of different. So let me know what you think about that, because I would love to know. I would. That sounded sarcastic. I'm not being sarcastic. Thanks for watching. Super sorry for being me. I really am super sorry. My outros are just me apologizing. My intros and my outros are now just me apologizing. So I love that for my brand. Okay, yeah, bye!